Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have really special product to share with you for Tesla Model Y. So this is Fullshade from Otrifowd. Otrifowd just got funded from Kickstarter campaign recently, and now you can get the Fullshade from their website. So this is a full retractable sunshade for Tesla Model Y glass roof. So today I will show you the closer look of the material, and then we will install it in Tesla Model Y. After that, we'll take a look and see how it looks inside Tesla Model Y and how it functions, and we'll test it. Let's go. So this is what comes in the box, the Fullshade itself. There, and then bring a pair of gloves and all the screws and pieces you need for the installation, also the instruction manual. Okay, now let's take a closer look of this Fullshade. As you can see here, the outside part of the Fullshade is actually really similar to the headliner material of Tesla Model Y, and similar in color. We'll see when we install it, see how big different that is. And there's a metal bar right here where it's a handle where you open and close the Fullshade. Let's see in the back. Okay, so this is the back of the Fullshade. So there is an aluminum frame on the underside of the headliner material to hold the retractable part of the Fullshade together, and also it's a part of the track here to let it open and close. And also the string, there's a string inside right there. There's two white strings. I believe that's to keep it on the track. And this retractable material is almost feel like a paper, but this is not just the paper, it's actually made from double layered materials. So on the outside it's actually composite PET polymer material, and on the inside it's made from aluminum foil to create that heat resistance and also UV protection from that Model Y glass roof. This material is actually really durable and flexible. Right now we see the closer look of this Fullshade and what comes in the box. Let's go and install it in Tesla Model Y. Alright, before we install this Fullshade on Tesla Model Y, let me show you where I got this Fullshade from. I got this full retractable sunshade from Otrifowd or Otrifowd.com. So if you are interested in this awesome retractable sunshade for your Model Y, you can use the code that TC10 for special extra 10% off discount. Now let's go install this Fullshade on Tesla Model Y. Okay, before we start the installation, so this is all the stuff you need for the Fullshade. So there are two clips for the front part of the Fullshade, and then 4 screws. These 2 little ones are for the back, and these 2 longer ones are for the front. And you need 4 of these screw covers. Also, I will show you how to put that on, and also a screwdriver. Alright, now let's start the installation. So now we have to collapse all of this down all the way in first. Then we are going to put a short small screws right here. So we open this up. It came in like this, so we're gonna open this up, make sure it's straight, and then we're going to screw this in. Okay, we're doing same thing on this side, so just pan it out, make sure the screw hole is straight. Okay, now I'm going to slide this sunshade to the front part of the car, and then I'm going to use that front sunshade over there. Let me show you right here to keep it up on the front, so we can insert this part to the back of the glass roof. Get in the car, and then we are going to insert this part right here, this part right here, into the headliner of the Model Y. Let me show you how this actually goes in. As you can see right here, so that white plastic is going inside the headliner of the Model Y, where the glass roof is. Same thing on this side. So we're gonna slide it in just like that. Now we are going to put the clip in the front, 2 clips. So we are going to install this clip right here. Let's see this clip. Okay, so before we install this clip in, to make sure we know where it's going to go on the headliner inside, so you mark it like that. So now we know exactly where is this going to be on that window glass right there. So now we just put the clip on, just aim it about this much. There. Now we just clip it in. Alright, so now we are going to put this long screw in to secure the top part of the sunshade. Okay, so I put the screw in. So the screw in the front is done. So the hardest part is not screwing in. The hardest part is to align that that piece. Let me show you real quick. So the hardest part is to align this piece right here before I install it, just like I showed you before. So align it on the outside like that first, and then mark the tape at the end of this part right here. So mark the tape on either side of this part, black part, so you know when you actually clip in the headliner. Alright, now last piece of the puzzle before we test it is this cap right here. So just put the cap in. So the cap's only for those 2 of the front screw holes, otherwise looks really good. As you can see, the headliners and the frame that surround that the Fullshade is actually really close in color. Maybe a shade lighter on the Fullshade and a shade darker on actual Model Y, but overall looks awesome. So if you have it all open like this, you can't really tell that it's not from Tesla factory. Really, really nice. Okay, let me try to close the front part. There. So it's actually magnet right here. You can see it's the magnet tab right here. So when you close together, it stays together. It's really, really nice. So this is what it looks like from the inside when it closes. And to open it, it's really easy to open it. You could open all the way. Same thing here. And open all the way there. And this is what it looks like. All the way open to the back. After the sunshades being closed, I can feel right away the reduction of the heat inside the cabin. So this is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon here in California, so the heat is still high. Now with this fully retractable sunshade, I only need to use one of those sunshades that I only have 2 options to install and remove, and those are really big and you can't really install in the car. So if you remove, you have to store it outside of the car at your home. And now with this retractable sunshade, I can adjust it how much ever I want the sun to go in. I can close in the front, open in the back, or entirely close the whole thing, or open the whole sunshade. And I think the price is reasonable, because to tint your top glass roof in your Model Y would cost about $400 to $600. By the way, this is why you need the white gloves, so you don't make a mess like I did. So wear your white gloves when you do it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I love this retractable full sunshade from Otrifowd. Actually the installation was not that hard, so just follow my directions, and also don't forget to use special discount code if you are interested in this full sunshade. And don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for future content. We'll see you on the next video.